If you have a flight school and you provide training to your future pilot, then this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chat Flow. Today we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your flight school business. In this business, you get a lot of inquiry on WhatsApp regarding registration, course info, pricing, availability and whatnot. Replying each inquiry individually would be a time-consuming and hectic task. That's where Pabbly Chat Flow make a huge difference. When users send a message, it automates your task and save your valuable time. If you want to know how to create this chatbot for your own business, then let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your flight school business using Pabbly Chatflow. This chatbot will automatically respond to people, collect their details and guide them through the inquiry process. So let's get started. As you can see, I have made this chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. Let me show you its real-time working. For that, I need to open WhatsApp web, and over here, I will type a key message. For example, hey. As soon as I have entered my key message, I got a response reply in which they welcome me to the Skypath Aviation Academy, and with that they have provided me 3 action buttons: schedule a session, check weather and study material. I will click on study material. As soon as I have selected the study material, they have provided me a list in which they mention that study material, access the latest ground school PDF and checklist, choose a topic, instantly download link will be shared based on your choice. For that, I'm going to select flight performance and I'm going to send this. As soon as I have selected flight performance, they have provided me a link in which they have provided me study material for flight performance and planning. Similarly, I'm going to select navigation and chart. Again, they have provided me a link for navigation and chart. Now let's move to our second action button, which is check weather. As soon as I have selected check weather, they have provided me a message in which they mention a link for live weather portal. And with that also they have provided me 2 action button, menu and talk to support. I will click on menu option. As soon as I have selected the menu option, I got initial message again. So yes, as you can see, this chatbot is replying me within second and made my customer experience so much fun and better. That too without any manual effort. That's the power of Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to know how to create this chatbot for your own business, then let me guide you further. For that, you need to open new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. As soon as you will search this, you will be landed on the pabbly.com page. Here you can see there are 2 options: sign up for free and sign in. If you are a new user, you can sign up for free. As I am existing user, I will click on sign in. After signing in, you will be landed on the All Pabbly app page. Over here, you can see there are 7 different applications, but as we are working with Pabbly Chatflow, I will click Access Now button of that. From there, you will be redirected to the dashboard page. Over here, you can add and manage all your WhatsApp number from one place using Pabbly Chatflow. To add WhatsApp number, you just need to click on Add WhatsApp Number button, which is given on the top right corner. Inside this, there are 2 options: WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. In Manual Token Connect, you need to enter Meta Access Token, phone number ID, WhatsApp Business Account ID manually. But in WhatsApp Connect, you just need to verify Meta Business Manager account and link your WhatsApp business account with it. Not only that, there are many more features on dashboard. Let's see each feature individually. Below dashboard, there is an inbox option where you can manage all your conversation from one place. After that, we have contact feature in which you can create all new contact and separate according to your requirement. Below that, we have team queue section where you can assign different tasks to different team member and review their performances. Below team queue, we have template section where you can create customized template, and by creating customized template, you can give personalized touch to your chat. Below that, we have broadcast section where you can send mass message to bulk of customer using customized template. After that, we have Flow, which is a powerful tool on Pabbly Chatflow to create chatbot. Below that, we have AI Assistant, Activity Log, setting, and get help. If you want to know each feature individually, we have linked a separate video for that in the description box. As we got to know about each feature, let's get started building the flow. For that, we need to click on the flow option and you will be landed on the flow builder page. Here you can create and manage your chatbot seamlessly. And to create a new flow, you just need to click on add flow button, which is given on the top right corner. And after that, you will be landed on this page. Here, to create a new flow, you just need to give a meaningful name. As we are making this chatbot for Flight School Business, I will name it accordingly as WhatsApp Chatbot for your Flight School Business. After giving meaningful name, we need to know about 3 main features which are given inside the flow: start, keywords, regex, and choose template. Let's see each feature individually. Choose template is a feature where you can choose your created template to give personalized touch to your chat. Regex are the regular expression with special pattern or sequence of character used to find, match, or filter specific text. Keywords are the trigger message that your customer will put while initiating a conversation. As we got to know about all 3 features, today I'm going to use regex, which will identify what my customer is trying to say. Now, as soon as my customer enter a message, I will send them a welcome message with a media. For that, I'm going to click on media button and I'm going to connect this media button with our flow start. Here I'm going to browse my image. As you can see, my image is uploaded successfully. After that, I'm going to provide a welcome message to my customer. For that, I'm going to click on add content button and select the text button. Here I'm going to enter my message like this, where I have mentioned that welcome to Skypath Aviation Academy, where every pilot journey takes off with confidence. We offer world-class pilot training, flight simulator and ground school. Accessible, flexible, and now managed directly through WhatsApp. How can we help you today? And with that, I'm going to provide few action button. For that, I'm going to click on add button option and enter my text, schedule a session, check weather, and study material. After giving each action button, I want to provide separate message for every action button. For that, let's start with schedule a session. To schedule a session, I need to ask few questions to my customer. For that, I'm going to drag and drop ask question, connect with my action button, and here I'm going to enter my message where I ask my student about their name and student ID. With that, I'm going to select my contact custom field as name and my format as any. After knowing name, I want to know about date and time slot. For that, again I'm going to drag and drop ask question, connect with my previous question, and here I'm going to enter my message. Please share preferred date and time. For that, again I'm going to select my contact custom field as date and my format as any. After knowing date and time, I will ask 2 more questions to my customer, like type of training and aircraft preference. For that also, I've selected their contact custom field as well. Now, after getting each and every detail about my customer, I'm going to send them a confirmation message. For that, I'm going to drag and drop, select the text button and enter my message, where I have mentioned that we will send a confirmation with flight slot, instructor assignment, reporting time and location. Even with that, I'm going to provide 2 action button, menu and talk to support. I'm going to connect this menu button with our initial message. That means as soon as someone click on this menu button, they will get initial message again, and I'm going to provide a separate message for talk to support, where I have mentioned that our team will contact them as soon as possible, and our support team are available from Monday to Saturday 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Typically, responding time is 15 minutes. Now with that, we are going to move to our second action button, which is check weather. For weather report, I'm going to provide a link to my customer in which they can check their weather. For that, I'm going to drag and drop, select the text button and enter my message like this, where I have mentioned that stay flight ready with accurate condition before takeoff, live weather portal. And with that, I have provided a link for weather condition. Not only that, I have also mentioned 2 action button, menu and talk to support. I'm just going to connect this menu button with our initial message as I have told you earlier, and I'm going to connect talk to support button with the message that we have recently put for talk to support. Let's move to our third action button, which is study material. To download study material or to get study material, I am going to drag and drop list option and connect with my action button. Over here, I'm going to enter header, body and footer like this, where I have mentioned study material as header, access the latest ground school PDF and checklist, choose a topic as body, and instant download link will be shared based on the choice will be the footer. Now I'm going to provide a section. For that, I'm going to click on add section and enter my section title as download, and I'm going to add my items like air regulation, navigation and chart, technical general, meteorology, flight performance. Now for each item, I'm going to provide a separate link as their study material. For that, I'm going to drag and drop, select the text button and enter my message like this, where I have provided separate link for each study material. So as you can see, I have entered all the design information that would be needed to run a chatbot for Flight School Business. On to a last step, don't forget to active your flow and save it. As you can see, I got a message that flow updated successfully. That means my flow is ready to run in real time. Not only this, you can create many more chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. For any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. For any query, you can write us on forum.pabbly.com, and for pricing detail, you can visit this website. Now go and create your account and create your first chatbot for free. Thank you so much.